Hey there, here is how to install Google Chrome on the one and only Windows 98. Step 1. Download the Time Machine. Before we begin, we'll need to find a Time Machine to download the installation file for Google Chrome, because let's be real, Windows 98 doesn't have the fastest internet. But don't worry, we'll make it work. Head over to the Google Chrome website and click that Download button, and select the version compatible with the Stone Age computer, Windows 98. Step 2. Install Google Chrome. Once the Time Machine has finished downloading the file, it's time to start the installation process. Double-click on the installation file, sit back and relax while Windows 98 tries to comprehend what's happening. Follow the on-screen instructions, and try not to laugh too hard when Windows 98 prompts you to restart your computer. Step 3. Launch Google Chrome. After the restart, you'll be able to launch Google Chrome by clicking on the Google Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. Brace yourself, because the experience is going to be like riding a bicycle for the first time, a little wobbly but totally worth it. And that's it. You've successfully installed Google Chrome on Windows 98. It's like bringing a Tesla to a horse and buggy race. Enjoy the journey as you explore the wonders of the web with Google Chrome. If you run into any trouble, just remember, laughter is the best medicine, and you can always reach out to the support team for assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing with a blast from the past. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more totally relevant videos.